Today is Monday, April 2nd. This is the video for Eric in New York for the 1968 original vintage Cadillac DeVille left-hand driver's side mirror. This is the rectangular mirror, the first year for the rectangular styled mirror head. This is a 1968 variant with the correct mounting stem that has the set screw visible on the outside of the stem base for securing at an angle this set screw up against the mounting plate. This is specific to 1968 only, early years 68 DeVilles only. The other unique thing about the 68 DeVille is that the joystick actuator has a thread to accommodate the threadable ring on the escutcheon bezel inside the door armrest of the upholstered interior door panel. So those are the things specific to the 1968 DeVille mirror. This is the original vintage mirror in beautiful condition. The chrome is very, very nice on this mirror. And I'm doing this video for Eric so that he can decide if he wants this unit. Now, the only anomaly and imperfection with this particular mirror that it would be cause complications is that the mounting finger is broken. This is part of the original cast pot metal base. So I intend to go to a machine shop and drill and tap a hole and then mount this flat specialty screw which is taking off the interior door panel of the GM Cadillac, and threaded inside. It should be stronger than the original cast pot metal cast finger because it's made of steel instead of pot metal, and that'll provide the slit gap necessary to slide inside the metal mounting plate. Unfortunately, as yesterday was Easter, everybody's still catching up with their time off for the holiday weekend, and I wasn't able to get this done today, but should be able to have that done for Eric by the end of the week. So this is the original vintage 1968 DeVille convertible left-hand first generation early 68 driver's side mirror with the actuation joystick. Okay, and then the next video that I'm going to be doing for Eric is going to be the stud mount variant as opposed to the set screw mount variant. Okay, that'll be the next video. Thank you very kindly.